Hi! In front of me is VIVO IQOO U5X, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. Then scroll all the way down and choose System. Now select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Revert. So sorry misclick. Finally, access Theme section, scroll down and choose Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you'll see all available themes and pick the best one for you by clicking on it. I will go with this one. Now just manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it though, access exactly the same settings, but this time tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then tap on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage key borders and hit Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!